Good morning, my lovely friends. Let's check out what's going on in my front yard this morning. And of course, you're gonna hear a little noise in the background because I'm about to make breakfast for my husband. Okay, so if you hear clinging and cracking and all those things, we're about to make some eggs and sausage and yes, my husband decided to heat up some of his sauce in the microwave. I want to tell my husband he cannot have that sauce, but who am I to tell him he can't have that, right? Anyway, guys, this is about my birds, my squirrel, the fat, nice, dark bird there, and the little brown bird and the squirrel. And just now, you guys gonna see a blue bird and a red bird because you know what? I notice we have a lot of bluebirds. I do not know the name of the bluebird, so I'm gonna call him Bluebird for now. But I know in between this video, we should find some bluebirds. Okay, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let the video come that way. I know that it's further out, but I think you're gonna see more because of the fact that I tried to do a close-up yesterday and I tried to go out there to get the birds and them to be all friendly with me. They're like, no way. You gotta move. You gotta feed me and keep it moving. And I get that. They just want to eat in peace, right? So, if you see the squirrel, it's there. But the squirrel and the blackbirds, they do not get along. So I know eventually the blackbirds gonna get rid of the squirrel so they could eat. Yep. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you guys just watch while I'm about to make breakfast, and I'll be in and out and back and forth so I can see what you guys seeing. Yes, yes. I know it's pretty cute, huh? It's pretty cute. Just to see the birds and the squirrel together, it's amazing. Anyway, I hope they become friends and they don't bite each other. I'll be back, guys. You guys keep watching. So, guys, I did promise you a red bird. The red bird, he's on the branch to the top. Ooh, you see that? The red bird decided to run the other bird so he could eat. Yep, and he's there. Red bird for you. I told you I'm going to show you a red bird today, Amma. I hope the blue birds come by so that you guys can see them. So I seen Mama Bird and Papa Bird. The cardinals, the Mama Cardinal and Papa Cardinal, the both of them here. So you guys gonna see them shortly. There we go. And that's the Father Cardinal because he's much brighter than the Mother Cardinal. Anyway, guys, you guys look, I'm about to cook. I know I said that and I keep saying that. Can you see a baby? on the tree. I see him. He'll be back. Coming. It's so pretty. I want to try to get a picture of him for Google Map. Got it. Mr. Squirrel enjoying he eating. Mr. Squirrel say I don't have to work for food ever again. That's what Mr. Squirrel saying. You want a spoon and a fork? Yeah. Drop this and come back and then I can take out your egg, right? It's all about the timing. So your egg can be cooked properly all over. Alright? I'll be right back. Did you get your tea?
No.
Where your tea? Okay. Okay guys, so we're about to have breakfast. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, take care, bye.